Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making over a vintage table that was destined for the thrift store. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make over a table. DecoArt has a ton of amazing products perfect for a project like this. So head over to DecoArt.com and start exploring. And don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.